In this GlowShift installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift add-on cup holder to the center console of your 2003 to 2012 Dodge Ram. Start by opening the center console lid and using a panel pop tool to carefully remove the plastic trim and liner. Then remove the two Phillip head screws securing the latch. Place the included spacer onto the latch and reinstall the latch using the factory screws. Reinstall the liner on the underside of the console lid and secure it with the plastic trim. Slide the cup holder into place, making sure the 12-volt accessory cover is out of the way. Close the console lid to ensure the latch is lined up correctly and make any adjustments if needed. You've now successfully installed your cup holder into your 03 to 12 Dodge Ram. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE and we'll see you on the road.